Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and a very good day to all of my friends from all over the world who are watching and supporting our cooking channel. Thank you so much. So today I'm come up with Dal Gosht recipe, which is very simple and easy. And what we need is Gosht is meat, any meat, mutton. I'm using mutton. Okay, so this is 1 kg of mutton. I have taken the shoulder part mutton with bones. Okay, and the other ingredients, so this is my way. I have marinated with ginger garlic paste, lime juice and salt to taste. So around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for 1 kg of meat, that is gosht, and I have added some lime juice to this, like around 1 tablespoon of lime juice, salt to taste, marinated for the whole night. Now what others ingredients we need is, so this is gosht and this is dal. So this is dal of chana dal, chickpea dal. So I have soaked this for around 4 hours, like 7 o'clock in the morning. I have soaked this and it is nicely soaked. Okay, and it's ready to go to for a boil. So this is one way dal gosht I am showing you. Very soon I will come with another way also. So this is the one type. So this is soaked. The next what we need for our dal gosht when we are cooking the meat, I will show you, is around 2.5 big onions chopped finely this way, and 2 onions big chopped finely this way. Okay, so this is will go for the tadka. This is now we are going to use when we are cooking our meat, and meat has to be cooked on slow cooker or slow vessel on the slow fire. This is around, so this is 2.5 big onions, and this is around 2.5 tomatoes, big one. You can take 3 onions and 3 tomatoes also if you don't want to waste that half. So now this is like around 3 green chilies I have taken, slitted this way, and 3 green chilies will go for the tadka. The other masalas are very simple. I'm going to use turmeric powder, I'm going to use coriander powder, and I'm going to use chili powder, and I'm going to use cumin powder. So these are the masala which is basically in our homes. So let's start now. The first procedure, what I am going to do in this now, boil this or cook this dal which I have soaked in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. So I will add this in this and add some turmeric powder. So I will take around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and I will add this hing powder, around 1/4, salt to taste. So this is because the chana dal is very little bit gassy, so these are all helps it. So this is like 1, and this is for our dal, and we'll keep this for cooking. We need also coriander leaves for our garnishing. That is the garnishing part. So let's close this and keep it for cooking for 2 whistles. Now the next procedure we will start. If I missed about the chana dal, so I have taken around 250 grams for 1 kg. So it's like around 1 big watki of dal. So 250 gram dal for 1 kg of meat. Okay, I must have missed that. So if you want to put more, you can put more chana dal. Some people put 50% also. 50% of chana dal will go into 50% of meat. So, but I have taken 250. For me, it is enough. So this is like around 2 big tablespoons of oil. And let's add our onion, tomato together. Chilies. And we'll mix it all nicely. So there our dal is getting this, and here is this. Now we will add our masala to this. So 1 big tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 big teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 big teaspoon of coriander powder. I'll put little bit of more this, and we will add our cumin powder, 1 of that. So that's it. This is our masala. And now we will add our salt to taste. Keep in mind that salt is also there in the dal and also in the meat. So salt to taste. And mix all this. Now we will add our marinated meat to this. And let this cook. Now let this get cooked for 45 to 50 minutes, covered till the meat is cooked. So let's now cover this, and no adding water. So cover this and let it get cooked for 45 minutes. So as the meat is getting cooked, I will fry the onions, that is my tadka, and here is our meat getting cooked. So it will take time. So till then we'll fry our tadka of onion and chilies, which I had showed you. So onions and chilies. So, and we have to make it like barista, fried to crispy, golden brown. So let this fry. This also will take time to fry, so let this fry. And this is my cooked dal. Only 2 whistles I did. So this is 250 grams of dal, and for 2 whistles. So this is also cooked. So this we'll add it once the meat is nicely cooked. At this point I will add my chilies and fry that also. Let it fry, and we'll add little bit of cumin powder to this. Around half teaspoon of cumin powder to this. And half teaspoon of coriander powder to this. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. And little bit of chili powder to this. So this is all for my tadka. And our mutton, I will show you. It's getting cooked. It's only now 20 minutes. So another 25 minutes to cook. So I've transferred to show you. The meat is getting cooked. The tadka is over there still. And in between you just see that you check your meat. The tomatoes and all are nicely cooked, you can see, but still our meat has to be cooked. And we'll put off the tadka and keep it. So let's again check this. So we'll have to wait another 10 minutes and it will be done then. So now it's 45 minutes and my meat is cooked nicely. So now I will add in this chana dal which is cooked. So here it is, chana dal in this. And let's mix this all well. And I will add some coriander to this and mix first. And a few I will keep for garnishing. So I will cook for another few minutes in this. Now if you want to add some more water or whatever, you can add in this, but I'm okay with this. Okay. Now let's add our tadka, what is with it. Now if you are not marinating it with ginger garlic paste and all, then you can add also ginger garlic paste now. Mix this all. And our meat is ready. So we'll garnish this and we'll serve this and eat with chapatis, rotis, naans, rice, whatever you want to. So enjoy your Dal Gosht. We are going to enjoy over here, and you also enjoy your Dal Gosht. Thank you so much. So here is my Dal Gosht, which is ready, yummy, tasty. Thank you once again.